We are now in the mighty Waikato. Welcome to the vlog, guys. We're just taking Ben on some sweet ass roads. You ready? This is a goodie. Oh, this one's a tighter. Oh, what a cool bit of road. It's just really hard, and it's overcast, so you're not sure if it's been raining or not, so you just got to really watch out for the shiny stuff. Really keeps you on your toes. Oh man, that was dope. Where's my boy? How's he doing? How's it going, mate? Oh, look at that splendor. Oh, look at the views. Hold on. That's not a bad view. Mic check, mic check. Can't see him. Is he ready? We need a signal. Caw-caw, caw-caw. Oh, we got a hand in the air. Okay, we're good. There's no traffic coming that way. One more. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh yeah. Give it a go. We'll give it a go. Go for one more. Like, come over the corner. Oh, you are on the apex. Let's try not kick you in the face.
No, I'm not close.
What? Ooh.
I said that's on his bike.
Ooh. Yeah. Yo. Oh man, this is fun. Mine. Oh, and they're going to be on the corner, so I have to wait extra long. 6, 7, 8, 9. What am I doing? So I've got a ticking noise in my motor. Can you tell me what it is, please? Oh. I'll edit that out. think Ben's gone. Ben, come back to me. I mean, I've lost him, but then his scene has also died. Oh, dog. Oh, look at the dog. Who's a good wolf? Wolf dog, wolf dog. Sounded very poetic. On the other side of the road, there I shall be. Ooh. Yeah, that sounds really good. Really good. Really, really good. Now I'm Scotch. So this is, oh mate, see this is your Instagram post where you put your bike. Ah! But that's your Instagram post where you have your like clear road with nothing happening. Nah, I mean, Jarfield, the first time ever I'm going to use the doodacky dome feature. Oh. Wow, what a feature. Oh. Woo. Weird flex, but okay. Oh yeah, we get the line in the center of the frame. Could you? See, what we've actually got here is a moose test, because you have to go around the DRZ on this side of the road and then on the left side of the road to get around the Triumph. We're actually contributing to road safety right here, Ben, aren't we? I think we're doing society a valuable favour. Anyway, I'll probably edit this within the next 3 months because that's been about my roster so far. I'll endeavour to do a better job. Anyway, I'll do my outro while the camera's still rolling because at my end. But if you enjoyed today's video, leave a like. Say something nice in the comments like, I like how your wheels were coloured in. Yeah, I like the fact that we play on main roads. That's quite a good one. Feel free to leave your mum advice about how we shouldn't be playing on the main road, because I'm sure you'll undoubtedly have keyboard opinions about that. Outro music. And then how's the other bit go? And then hopefully I'll mash those on top of each other and I might actually make theme music. Roll film! Let's see how good I am. Outro music.